What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. I just wanted to get on and show you guys my 4th day hair using the TreLuxe products. So if you remember in my last video, I said where I used the TreLuxe, I said I may come back on day 3 or day 4 to show you how the Soothe and Restore Curl Primer would refresh the hair, because it's supposed to refresh as well. So as you can see, I do have some frizzy parts right here at the top of my hair. So I am going to use the curl primer and see, y'all see that? And see if we can refresh these curls. So I'm going to get a little bit of the curl primer. And I'm going to apply it to this hair. We're going to twist it a little bit. Now, y'all know that this hangs long. It's the hardest to curl. So, yeah. Let's see if I can find another piece. Let's use this piece right here, I guess. Get this one here. And I got some curl primer on my finger. And I don't know if you're supposed to use water or not with it, but we're gonna see. So I'm just going to apply it. And let it go. Do another one up top. Got the primer. Let me just take this whole hunk. Let's take this whole hunk. Get a little bit more. This is kind of thick. Okay. Go ahead and just use it to kind of refresh those curls on the ends. Okay. I didn't do anything on this side. This side still looks pretty good, but it was mainly, you know, this top part here. So yeah, there you go. I am going to just let that dry, and I think it's going to be fine. Actually, I'm looking at it. I don't see any white sitting on top. I do feel like it started to curl up the hair on the ends. So I can see using this as a spot checker for sure. I even can see it if you have a whole lot of frizz, maybe getting your hair a little bit wet with the water first and then adding this to help define the curls. I can definitely see that working as well. So again, for me, I think that this is a good product. I think it has a lot of slip. I think it's really good for detangling. And guys, so far I have not added any moisture to my hair at all. So as far as moisture is concerned, using this as well as the mousse, my hair is very moisturized. It's still soft. It still has you know, it still has the coils and definition. It has some frizz on the top, which I'm not mad at. You know, that happens when you're out in the elements. And yeah, if you want to know what I did to preserve my hair, all I did was use my lock sock. I put it on and I just pulled it off in the mornings and fluffed my hair and went, and that's it. So if you have not tried TreLuxe, I would say give them a try. And especially the curl primer, I think it is definitely worth a try. If you pre-poo, for sure. But if you just like a light, fluffy wash and go using a mousse and you need something underneath it to help hold the give it a little extra hold or curl definition. I think it's great for that. Or if you just want something to refresh your curls and you don't necessarily want to spray, then this is good as well. So yeah, guys, that's it. This is 4th Day Hair. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.